Today, we're diving into the world of drones with a focus on the best DJI drones you can buy in 2026. If you're looking to capture stunning aerial shots, cinematic videos, or just want to experience flying with advanced smart features, then choosing the right drone is essential. DJI has a wide range of drones available, each designed for different types of users, from beginners to professionals. In this video, we'll be showcasing the top DJI drones, focusing on performance, camera quality, ease of use, portability, and overall value. Links to all the featured drones are provided in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Let's take your aerial experience to the next level with these top picks. Number 5. DJI Neo2. The DJI Neo2 is the perfect starting point for beginners who want a simple and stress-free flying experience. Weighing just 151 grams, it falls below the registration limit in many regions, making it extremely convenient for new users. Its lightweight design also makes it less intimidating. Crashes are less damaging compared to heavier drones, allowing users to practice and learn without constant fear of breaking expensive equipment. One of the standout features is its ability to launch without a controller. You can use your smartphone to control the drone, and it even includes AI tracking that follows you automatically. This makes it ideal for casual users who want quick and easy footage without complex setup. The Neo2 captures 4K video with decent stabilization and offers around 25 to 30 minutes of flight time. While it may not deliver professional-level results, it is perfect for social media content and learning the basics of drone flying. Number 4. DJI Mini 5 Pro. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is designed for users who want a compact drone without compromising on advanced features. It stays under 250 grams, which means no registration in many regions, while still delivering impressive performance. It features obstacle sensors in multiple directions, improving safety and making it easier to fly in complex environments. The drone supports 10-bit D-Log color, giving users more flexibility when editing footage. Video performance includes 4K at 60 frames per second in HDR, along with native vertical video support, making it ideal for content creators focused on social media platforms. With a flight time of around 30 to 35 minutes and a well-built controller, the Mini 5 Pro is an excellent choice for travelers and creators who prioritize portability. Number 3. DJI Avata 2. The DJI Avata 2 is built for a completely different type of flying experience. This is an FPV drone designed for immersive and dynamic flight rather than traditional aerial photography. When paired with DJI goggles, it gives you a first-person view, making it feel like you are inside the drone. This allows for fast, cinematic movements, such as flying through tight spaces, under structures, and around obstacles. The propellers are protected, making it safer for close-range flying. It also includes GPS stabilization and hovering features, which help beginners get started with FPV flying more easily. The motion controller simplifies controls by allowing you to guide the drone using hand movements, making the learning curve much easier compared to traditional FPV systems. While it is not ideal for standard photography, it is perfect for action shots, adventure content, and dynamic video creation. Number 2. DJI Mavic 4 Pro. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is a premium drone designed for professionals who need maximum performance and flexibility. It features a triple camera system, including multiple focal lengths for different shooting styles. With support for high-resolution photos and up to 6K video recording, it delivers exceptional image quality. The drone offers advanced flight performance, including high speeds and long transmission range. It also provides close to an hour of flight time, making it suitable for extended shoots. However, this level of performance comes at a higher cost, and many users may not fully utilize all its features. It is best suited for professionals who require advanced capabilities for commercial work or high-end content production. Number 1. DJI Air 3S. The DJI Air 3S stands out as one of the best all-around drones available. It strikes the perfect balance between performance, features, and price. It includes a dual camera system with a main sensor that performs well in low light and a telephoto lens for added flexibility. Both cameras support 4K at 60 frames per second, making it suitable for professional-level video production. One of its most important features is advanced obstacle sensing, including improved performance in low-light conditions. This makes flying safer during sunrise, sunset, or night shooting. The return-to-home system is highly reliable, using visual positioning along with GPS to ensure accurate navigation, even in complex environments. With a flight time of around 40 to 45 minutes, the Air 3S is capable of handling extended shooting sessions without frequent battery changes. So that's it for the best DJI drones you can buy in 2026. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to comment below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to ICS Tech for more tech reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.